Hi, Miriam. How you doing? So I've got your writing. Where did it go? I think we're right over here. Yes, here you are, right here. Sorry about that. Okay, so good writing. I mean, you explained everything and described everything perfectly, so that's really good. Good job there. One of the things, I've got your file up here, and I see exactly what you're doing, and you're really doing a great job. You're trying to, it looks like you're applying a lot of the stuff that you're learning, not only in the textbook, but in the videos as well. One of the things I do want to mention is that in your when you're using healing, try to use this technique right here. It's right here about the 2 minute 10 second mark in the video, repairing an image non-destructively, and that basically is showing you to create a new layer, and then sample all the layers below it, and then do your adjustments on that new layer. That new layer will be blank, but your adjustments will be on it. So if you turn that layer off, you'll see all of the adjustments. Now, the reason I say that is because it looks like at the top here yes, you did make a new layer, but it's a composite layer. So there's two things going on. Number one, the composite layer is not showing your smart sharpen and your sharpen filters. I would run those on a layer above your composite layer and clip them to that layer. That way, you turn off your composite layer, you'll just disengage everything. So you'll be able to see those. Right now, you can't see those, okay? So that was the first thing I noticed. Also, if you created this composite layer, which is not a bad technique, creating a composite layer is actually a really good workflow. But watch what happens when I turn yours off. See how it jumps? It means that your images aren't lined up. And that's a big problem. That's the one thing. If I would create this, somehow this got nudged, this composite layer got nudged over, or this whole series of layers got grouped and nudged over. So I would definitely recommend adjusting that. When you turn that composite layer off, you shouldn't see anything other than the exact same image, no jumps at all. Okay, I see what you did with your masking, and that's good. You did exactly what I've asked you to do, and that's to show at least one mask for the flower and then duplicate the flower, and that's fine. So I think you've done well. I really do. And one of the things I said in my writing was that, and let me just describe this. Creature's been through many iterations. I think each one has spawned from the learning objectives, and that's really important. It shows that you're learning. It shows the process. And the reason I say that is because, do you remember at the beginning you wanted to do like the clouds and some of those other ideas, and I let it go. Remember, I let it go because I knew that you were going to find out there were going to be issues with that, and there were, and you figured it out and you changed it on the fly, and that's really impressive. So good job there. I love the piece. I think you've done very, very well. Any questions, comments, concerns at all, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, you are looking good. Except for that one composite layer, I think everything's looking fantastic. All right, great job. Thanks.